This is called a mirror cube, and it solves the exact same way as a 3x3. I'm going to show you how today. The first step to solving the mirror cube is by creating a cross. So we're going to look for the smallest piece to identify the middle, make it align with the middle, the center. So if that's flat, you know it's correct. Then we're going to put flat pieces like this and this on every side of the center to make our cross. So that would end up looking like what I'm about to do here. So like this. See how that's flat? That's the cross. The next step is aligning these outer pieces with their center. So if they're not aligned like this, you move each one of these up twice. Align it with the center, and then move it down. So you're going to want to do that for each and every one. Now that I did them all, it's still flat, and they're aligned with their middle centers. Next step is solving the first layer. So we're going to look for pieces about the same thickness. So this one, put it over one that looks like it could fit in. So it looks like it could fit in this piece. So we do R, U, R prime, U prime, until it's flat in there. And that didn't solve it, so that's not the correct spot, which leaves this one. So we'll put it out, move it over this piece, and then do R, U, R prime, U prime. And then this piece is solved, and we move on to the next ones. So it'd look like this. Just do the same step until the first layer is solved. So that one's incorrect, so we move it over, move it above this piece, and then do this. Do the same algorithm again until it's in place. Then that leaves one more piece, which is this one. Then the first layer is solved. The second layer is putting the spots next to the centers in place. So you're going to look for pieces like this on the third layer, align it with the center, and then debate whether it looks like it could go in this piece or this piece. This one looks like it could go in there, so we turn it opposite, and then we do this, turn the cube, and this puts the piece in place and solves that little piece. Then we're going to do that for each one of these. So this aligns, it looks like it could go in there. It doesn't fit, so that's not the right piece. So we keep doing it. So like this one could go in this piece, so we do it. It does go. So that piece is solved too. And we just keep doing this. This looks like it could go in there until it's solved. And one more. Looks like it could go in there. Then that's the second layer solved. Then the final layer, you have to have a line that's flat facing you like this. Then you do this algorithm. Until you have like an L shape. Then you move that into the top left corner where it looks like this. Then you do the algorithm again. And now that should give you a cross, a flat cross. And what we're going to do here is align the cross pieces with the centers. So that algorithm looks like this. You can always slow down the video and see if it fits. Not all are correct, so we do it again. And you keep doing this until the centers are aligned with the cross pieces. And if they're not, you move it back to its original state, and then do it again. This could take a little while, so just keep doing it until it's solved. align it with the correct piece, like this. This is correct, and then do it again. Align it. Those are correct, and they're all correct. So this is connecting with that, that, and that. So there's a flat. Then the next step is the final step. Well, one of the final steps, where you put these into position. So this piece looks like it could be correct. So I'm going to put that on the right side, like here. And now we're going to move these because they're not in the correct spot. So we do this algorithm, over, up, over, down, and that keeps this in place but moves these. So it looks like this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, and this is correct. So once you're in that case, flip the whole cube upside down, and then do R, U, R prime, U prime to put it in place. So like this. R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and keep doing it until it's in place. And that's in place. And then, don't move these because it would mess up the whole cube. Only move the bottom to the next incorrect piece and always have it on the right, then do it again. And then it's correct. Then move the bottom again and do that for this piece. Then do it one more time, and this should solve the cube. There we go. The mirror cube is solved. I hope this video helps. Also, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Plus, a subscribe would help me a bunch. Thank you.